Hi guys, welcome back to Florida Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to make another vintage recipe. This time we're going to use the 1961 Betty Crocker New Picture Cookbook to make cheeseburger pie. Let's go! The first thing we need to do is preset our oven to 450 so it can get heating up while we cook. Then, I am not following the recipe to make my own pie crust. I'm cheating with store-bought, but that is the only thing that I'm doing different for this recipe. The rest we're gonna follow to a T. So in a pan we need to brown 1 pound of ground beef. And we're gonna go in with my favorite kitchen utensil, this meat chopper. Oh, and I had the recipe wrong. This only needs to be 425. There we go. Good thing I double checked. So 425, brown the beef. It says in a small amount of fat, but this is like 80-20%, so we don't really need any more fat. Alright, now that our ground beef is cooked, we're going to go in with a 1/4 cup of chopped onions and a 1/4 cup of green peppers. We're also going to add in 4 ounces of tomato sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then we need 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. That's going to help thicken this. Kind of soak up some of that grease. Okay, for our cheese topping, we need 1 egg, beaten. Then we need 8 ounces of shredded cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of dried mustard, and 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then a 1/4 cup of milk. So we'll just give that a good mix. This is our cheese topping. So for our pie, we are going to grease a pie pan. It says 9 inches. I think that's what this one is. And again, I'm using a store-bought pie crust. Don't hate me. I don't have the time or the patience to make my own. Oh no, I tore it. It'll be fine. And then into our pie crust, we're going to dump our hamburger filling. We'll just kind of spread it out to make it even. Perfect timing. Our oven is ready. So let's give this another quick mix. And we will spread our cheese topping right over the top and spread it out. So it's going to get nice and melty and gooey and delicious. And then we're going to put it in our oven at 425 for 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's grab our cheeseburger pie. Alright, we're going to go ahead and cut into our cheeseburger pie here. Still a little hot, so I'm going to be careful. Alright, let's go ahead and dish up a piece so we can try it. This was so fun to make and super easy, so I really hope it's good. But if you guys liked this video, don't break, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.